Guys, I just ordered a package for fidgets and it just came in. So we're gonna open it. This package was like $4, so let's see if it's good or not. So I'm opening it. So let's do it. Okay, this is what's in the box. Wait, let's see what they get. Oh my god, this is wait. It's broken. All these pieces are broken. Look, it's literally split in half. I wanted a... Okay, this is just bad. Oh my god. That's like so bad. Pop tube. This is a mini pop tube. Wait, it's also broken right here. Okay, next thing. This is a bigger one and it's also broken here. What the heck is wrong with these? Okay, I feel like this is a poppet ball. It's another broken poppet ball, but this is a dice. Guys, like what the heck? I ordered a ball and this is a dice. Come back for part 2 to see what else I get.